What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to create the basic bouncing animation only using the CapCut. Ooh, how is that possible? So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, to create this animation, you can use this CapCut, and don't worry because CapCut also accessible within your PC, tab, or even the smartphone guys. And here I am accessing it with my Android phone, and don't worry, you can also install it from the iOS phone or from the App Store. And you can also do the login first with your email to try a lot of tools over here that has been provided by this CapCut. And the next step is I will start to click the new project over here. To choose the background, I will go to the library and I will choose the simple background like black like this and click add. And it will direct you into this project page. And this section, I will start to remove this ending that usually being the watermark of the CapCut. And after that, I will start to lengthen this duration, let's say to become 10 seconds. Perfect. And after that, I will start to input the text that has the bouncing effect, for example. I will add text over here and type what's up, or what's going on. You can also put your favorite words or maybe your favorite motivational quotes inside this CapCut. And also I will choose the font. Let's say I will choose Poppins. And I will also lengthen this duration of this text until as same as this background. And the next step is I'm going to move this text to become in the corner or not visible in the page like this. Like this one. And after that, make sure that this cursor still also being placed in the first second of this text and also this background, or in the first duration. And after that, I will start to put the keyframe first over here, and I will also slightly move this cursor, and I will move this word finally to this one, and I will move it again. Let's say it will move like this. From the highest point to become low. Until it's not appear anymore or disappear. Like this. And also you can also see the prototype or the output. Let's say the result will be this one. Boom, boom, and it will disappear. There you go. You can also play with the graph to create, let's say, the smoother effect. Let's say I will start it from the ease in the first keyframe. And also I will go to the last keyframe to be ease out. And let's see the result. So maybe the fall effect can also create the smoother motion. You can play with this effect or this graph. So that's all guys, don't forget to try to create your bouncing animation with this CapCut, and I hope this video finds you helpful. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in the comment section because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.